Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Binance. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Binance website right here, Binance.com, if you have not already. So once you've done so, you're going to be greeted by the homepage. If you're using the mobile version or the application, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, and on the App Store search for Binance, find the application and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the homepage. From this main page we can get started, and now you're going to go ahead and log in. The process goes exactly the same, doesn't matter if you're on your mobile phone or using the web version. First things first, you're going to log into an account. So if you do not already have an account, you're going to have the sign up option right here, and now we can get started logging in. So once you've logged in, we can get started. Here guys, this is what we want to go to. You're going to access the stocks option right here directly from the trade option, and from the market section you're going to go and be able to take a look at the stocks that you can buy into. So as you can see, you can trade stocks and ETFs with crypto, and from here you can find the NVIDIA stock option. So you're going to go and be able to search for any stock you want. You're going to go and find NVIDIA, and you're going to be able to access the chart right here, take a look at what the current prices are, when the markets are open, and so on. And right here from the right side of the screen, you're going to go and be able to buy into NVIDIA stock using crypto. You're going to have the buy and sell option, and this is how to go ahead and get started buying NVIDIA stock on Binance. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.